Resolve the frustration of Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager on Windows 11 or 10 with our simple troubleshooting guide. Watch this video for easy to follow steps to bring back Bluetooth functionality and ensure your device is connected seamlessly. Say goodbye to the missing Bluetooth headache, get it fixed effortlessly. Step 1. Press Windows plus X and open Device Manager. Step 2. Click View and select Show Hidden Devices. Step 3. Look for Bluetooth in the list. If it's grayed out, right-click and choose Enable. Step 4. If Bluetooth still doesn't appear, restart the computer. Step 5. Update Bluetooth driver. Right-click on Bluetooth device, choose Update driver and select Search automatically for updated driver software. Step 6. If the issue persists, check the BIOS or UEFI settings to ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Step 7. If none of the above works, there may be a hardware issue and you may need to contact your device manufacturers.